Hi, my name is Victor Mwangi Mwaura, and I am a student coach. I teach students mathematics. I coach them, and I also give academic talks and guidance to students. And I have a YouTube channel yenye inaitwa Potent KCSE Revisions. And if you know it, have been sending many videos pale za kufunza mathematics. And I also have a website yenye utaona links hapo chini. I am really enthusiastic about high school students because naonanga high school ili change a lot of, ili impact, and also generally academic journey yangu imekuwa very interesting and insightful story. This one is a special dedication for parents. If you have watched some of my stories, umeona nilikuwa si perform vizuri in my lower primary school, na nikakuja hivyo nikiinuka polepole, and class 6 was my turning point. And the reason I'm making this video is because we are in August holiday. We know children are on holiday, and kuna wazazi ambao wameni reach out, wanataka ni coach their children hii holiday, and many also are also taking their children kwa tuition place nyingi. So on that observation imenikumbusha wakati nilikuwa class 6. I went to Ngego Primary School, iko near Kiambu town, and my school did not have haikuwa na tuition wakati wa holiday for class 6. Ilikuwa tu only na tuition ya class 8. And other schools nyingi even today, although siku hizi imeteremshwa tuition unapata hadi class 4. Neighboring schools zilikuwa zinaanzia tuition class 6. So I went to Mayuyu Primary School, which is in near Ruaka. Huko ndo nilikuwa natoka, by the way. And nikaenda, mi naenda na uniform ya Ngego na blue, naenda kusomea kwa shule yenye inavaa green. Na naenda pale nasoma tuition. Let me tell you how it helped me. Tukiwa pale nilikutana na walimu. I don't know whether I can just mention them. Kina Mrs. Nganga, Mrs. Oduoro. Walimu walikuwa natufunza. Mrs. Nganga alinifunza maths na kanipea ka aspect kengine ka maths. Nikaanza kuona maths ni easy. Maths nakumbuka akichapa watu ati 1 times 1, 2 times 2. Kujua hiyo multiplication table. And which ilinipea aspect ingine ya maths is easy. And there is something yenye huwa narudia in my videos which I learned from her. Mrs. Nganga alikuwa anasema maths is formula, speed and accuracy. Na hiyo ndio kitu huwa anasema even today. Niliitumia na ilinisaidia. So wakati wazazi mnapeleka watoto tuition, wakati wa holiday, iko na manufaa kadhaa. First, inamuexpose kupata a new aspect and a new view of things, especially za masomo. For example, in the Potent books, there are 2 things I focus on, which maybe these are rare opportunities now to tell the parents what I do. Wakati napata mwanafunzi, because niko na yeye tu only for 2 weeks, just 10 days. Na atakuwa na shule, atakuwa shuleni na yeye mwenyewe. So she has the students and the teachers, they have like 3 months. Mimi tu niko na yeye like just 2 weeks. And in some schools kwenye nimeitwa talks, I just have them for just 2 hours. And I'm able to change something yenye inawasaidia. First, I focus on the attitude. I want to show you mathematics is easy. How do I show you mathematics is easy? First, by showing you step-by-step solution. Nikuonyesha hii solution ni hivi. And that is my motto in Potent KCSE Revisions. I want to show you step by step that hii hesabu hufanywa hivi. I know you have been doing that in school, but I want to emphasize on the importance of these steps. Also, I also want to show you the format ya KCSE Mathematics. Venye huwa inarudiwa, like nikupatia hii swali, if you can be able to do this question saizi na upate right, there's no reason why you should fail it in KCSE. Like unaweza jiambia hata utapata marks ngapi KCSE just by following this. For example, I show the students, sorry, I'm talking to parents, even the students, you can watch this video na waonyeshanga you can take KCSE papers for the last 5 years. I'm telling you, any other KCSE inakuja is just like 80-90% exactly what has been taught. Did I say 80%? It's everything. It's everything. That any single paper inakwanga tu inarepetiwa tu, the same question inakuwa twisted differently. And even if you can be able to answer one question na ueleze vizuri in mathematics, even when it is twisted, you can be able to answer. So number one, I want to show the students that mathematics is easy, or any other subject that it is easy and they can perform well. Number two, I want to guide them on how to read on their own. I want to give them a leeway. Ndio akienda shuleni, niko na yeye just 2 weeks. It can only help if I help them to help themselves. So that akienda shuleni anaweza kusoma hesabu akifunzwa na mwalimu na aweze kupitia yeye mwenyewe, anaweza kuelewa. I don't need to be there. If it was possible, I would want to be there nimfunze, lakini now it is impossible kumfunza every time. So nikimwonyesha hiyo tu how to be doing it on their own, venye watakuwa na revise, hiyo itamsaidia sana. So 2 things, I want to change their attitude and also to help them to get study skills and revision skills. So without deviating sana, wazazi nilikuwa nawaambia about how nilienda tuition na vile ilinisaidia, na venye kupeleka watoto tuition inawasaidia kuwapea those, inawafungulia those exposure ya watu wenye wanaweza wapea those skills. Another thing, hebu uliza mtoto wako, muulize kama ako high school, muulize Victor alikuwa na 80 points, so hiyo ina translate to grade gani? Angekuwa na points 81 inge translate to grade gani? Angekuwa na points 70, angekuwa na points 50, angekuwa na points 61, 60, ingekuwa grade gani? Take even those 10 subjects, 7 subjects. If anafanya 8, you know that one will not be taken kwa KCSE. Technicals ama zinaitwa theories. Yeah. So math, sciences and languages ni compulsory, and then some other subjects mpaka zifike 7. So just put 1A, another B, another C, or even ask them to write down their target grades. And then muulize hii ina translate to overall grade gani? Because I have thought this is an easy thing for many students. Because me, I knew that from Form 1. And that is how I started targeting my grade. A few years ago, in 2021, KCSE I think ilifanywa 2022 hapo March. Because ya ile corona ilikuwa zinapushiwa. So I went to my former school and I was coaching them mathematics. Just 2 weeks before the exam. And I was surprised that some students do not know how to calculate the average grade ya all subjects. That thing ilinishtua, and several schools nimekuwa nikienda mpaka nauliza. I know many students don't know this. Now let me ask you, how do you target a grade that you don't know how to calculate it and that you don't know how to achieve it? So at Potent Books, ama ukikutana na some bright students, watakuguide. Kwanza hiyo ni kitu mimi huwa na emphasize on sana sana sana. I want you to know how to calculate your grades so that you can target something that is achievable. So the other thing I would like you to think about in your home, Does your kid read on their own bila kuambiwa? Akifunga shule huwa wanasoma? Do they? Wakati ako nyumbani, most homes, and you can attest, most homes do not have a tall table that is good enough ya kusomea. Most students wakisomea nyumbani wanasomea meza yenye iko below the knee, ati inatoshana na kiti hiyo tea table. Hiyo tea table, how long can a student sustain akiwa ameinama pale? How long? How long can the student stay attentive akiwa amelalia coach, which is very comfortable amelalia hivi? How long can a student sustain kukuwa na muziki, distractions ya watoto? So mimi nikiwa high school, I used to go to Kiambu town. There was a library just mbele ya a building called Mapa House, the tallest building in Kiambu then. Across the road kuna ACK church and school, then hapo kulikuwa na library, public library. But that was in 2011, 2012. But after elections at 2013, while I was still in Form 4, tulienda kule tukapata library imeconvertiwa to county government offices. And I don't know whether sasa Kiambu iko na public library, which it's very important kuwa na a place public ya kusomea, na ilikuwa inajaa. I don't know whether students nowadays read, because actually there was a research article I did the other day, na nitaipost kwa my website. That research article was saying that reading time ya USA students has, the personal reading time has reduced, and I want to believe even in Kenya it has reduced, especially in the age of social media. Just for me inakuanga just one session ya 3 hours, na then naweza wapatia ka assignment Kenya wanaweza fanya within 1 or 2 hours. Wakati anakuja ninamguide vizuri venye ataweza kushika those concepts, step by step solution, alafu aweze kuenda ajisomea akiwa shuleni. Whether unamrefer your students kwangu ama to any other place, but keep doing that good thing, kutafutia watoto tuition wakati wa holiday. It is not in vain. Thank you.